The world looks the same, but something is wrong with it. And deep down, you've always known. Something changed, but no one else noticed. You're the only one still living in a version that no longer exists. Everyone else updated their emotions, their memories, their code. But you didn't. And if you're watching this, it might already be too late. Something's off, not just in your head. You feel it in the way people talk, like their sentences are stitched together, like they're responding out of habit, not thought. Everything around you feels familiar, but hollow, like a dead replica of your past. You weren't part of the update. You're stuck running on an old build, outdated instincts, feelings that no longer belong in this version of the world. And now they notice. They notice that you pause before you speak, that you hesitate where others comply. You think you're behind, but you're not. You're awake. You weren't supposed to still be running. You were meant to fade into the noise, but something kept you here. And now, you've become the one variable this version of reality can't account for. A line of code too stubborn to overwrite. They'll either upgrade you or delete you.